20 biggest regrets at old age. 1. Not doing more for others. 2. Not being your authentic self. 3. Ignoring your personal happiness. 4. Letting the passion die. 5. Ignoring your instincts. 6. Not spending more time with them kids. 7. Not nurturing good relationships. 8. Not being more health conscious. 9. Not expressing your feelings. 10. Not saving for retirement. 11. Holding onto grudges. 12. Trying to live up to everyone's expectations. 13. Not taking risks. 14. Not being more adventurous. 15. Missing out on the little moments. 16. Worrying about other people's opinions. 17. Not standing up for yourself. 18. Taking life too seriously. 19. Not seeing someone before they died. 20. Not leaving a legacy.